Hey guys, what's up? This is Aaron from PEXUniverse.com, and in this video, I'll be showing how to give your aging baseboards a quick and easy makeover at a cost-effective rate with our newest product, Revital aluminum baseboard replacement covers by Slant Baseboards. When you open the box, the parts inside will include your baseboard replacement cover, plastic spacers, metal L brackets, and self-drilling screws. Over time, traditional baseboard heating covers suffer from rust, dents, peeling paint, and overall deterioration. This wear and tear not only looks aesthetically unappealing, but also can affect your overall heating efficiency. With Revital aluminum baseboard replacement covers, you can give your baseboards a sleek and modern look with a product that has been tested to allow for up to 40% more heat output than the competitive brands currently on the market with a high quality aluminum build. And the best part is that slant fin covers are designed to fit most existing baseboard systems with a DIY user-friendly installation process. Its key features include quick and easy installation process without the need for specialized tools, stylish design options to match any decor, easy ability for cleaning and maintenance, a 40% more heat output than the leading competitors, compatibility with most brands of hydronic baseboards, and it's made of 100% rust-proof aluminum, which is ideal for moisture-rich environments like basements, bathrooms, and humid climates. So in conclusion, Revital aluminum baseboard replacement covers offer a convenient, cost-effective, and DIY user-friendly solution for homeowners looking to upgrade their baseboard heating covers. If you check out our website at PEXUniverse.com, we have Revital aluminum baseboard replacement covers available for purchase with sizes ranging from 2 to 6 feet, and accessories as well, including filler sleeves to cover small gaps between baseboards, left end and right end caps, and lastly inside and outside corners. All orders over $99 come with free shipping. And we offer a same-day pickup option at our Brooklyn location. If you feel like this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And we'll also be posting a video on how to install slant fin aluminum baseboard replacement covers, so stay tuned. So until next time, this is Aaron at PEXUniverse.com.